Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a face. To do it you have to click on here. Then select Insert from here, then click on this box and type here 3.5. Then click on this box, then type here 2. Then click on this box and type here 300. Then click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to unlock the background layer. Then you have to double click on here. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color. Then select these. Then click on the color. Then you have to select this color. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then click on the color. Then you have to select this color. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then drag this in here. Then click on the color again, then select this color. Then you have to rotate the color from here. Then click on here, then select this, then drag this in here. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. After that you have to select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key, then click on the anchor point. Then click on here. Then click on here and here. Then select the move tool. Then select this layer. Then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then click on here, here, and here. Then click on the fill, then you have to select this color, then drag this under this layer. Then select the move tool, then drag this in here. After that you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here, then scroll down from here, then click on the orange. Then you have to select this color from here. Then select this, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select these, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color from here. After that you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay, then you have to click on the reverse. Then click on here, then select this, then drag this in here. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. After that you have to open this image. You will get the link of this image in the description. After opening the image you have to select the crop tool from here. Then you have to crop this image. Then click on the tick mark. Then select the move tool. Then unlock this layer, then drag this layer in here. Then you have to set this in here. After set this, you have to click the opacity, then decrease the opacity from here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to select this. Then click on the fill, then decrease the fill from here. After that, you have to include the icons and write this text in here. Then you have to select these layers, then you have to lock these layers. Then you have to double click on here, then click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. So now you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. Then you have to select the shape tool, then select the round shape, then press and hold the shift key, then you have to draw this shape in here. Then click on here, then select the white color, then select the move tool. Then you have to select this, then go to the layer panel, Then you have to select the round shape, then drag this under this layer. Then you have to select this layer, then decrease the size of this layer, then drag this layer in here. Then you have to select the move tool again, then select this layers, then drag this layers in here. Then select this layers, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this layer. Then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then press Ctrl plus A button from keyboard, then click on here. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then double click on here, then write your company category in here. So now here you can see our base cut design has been completed. Now we have to set this base cut in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from a PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then back to the main project. Then you have to unlock all layers from here. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then drag these layers in here. Then you have to set this base cut in here. After that, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.